Wel, zullen we kijken, Julian?
Stop. Je tickelt me niet!
What's the ball?
Not me. Josh halfway through it. Let's watch this now. What?